Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Spending Tracker app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Spending Tracker app is a good option for anyone who wants a simple and free way to track their spendings. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Spending Tracker. There you can see Spending Tracker by M.H. Reilly Limited. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Spending Tracker app for a simple and user-friendly interface to track your income and expenses. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.